Ladies and gentlemen, for takeoff we have to dim the cabin lights this time. If you wish to continue reading or if you have fear of the dark, there is a reading lamp situated in the panel above your heads. Meine Damen und Herren, vor dem Abflug, wir müssen jetzt das Kabinenlicht dimmen. Möchten Sie noch weiter hinzulesen oder sollten Sie Angst vor Dunkelheit haben? Es befindet sich eine Leselampe über Ihrem Kopf.
Ist auf Deutsch.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lanzarote Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until this aircraft has reached its final parking position and your fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off for you by the captain. May we remind you that the use of your mobile phones and smoking are strictly prohibited until you have reached the terminal building. If you wish to rent a car, Ryanair recommends Hertz, our official car rental partner. For further flight details, please log on our website at ryanair.com.